Okay, so today we're going to try to prove whether or not rotations in Etch-a-Sketch geometry are isometries. So first we're going to define what a rotation is. So to make a rotation, you draw a circle through a point with center as the fixed point and move the percent of circumference in the specified direction around the circle. So we're going to try to prove that not all rotations are isometries. So as long as we have one exception, then not all rotations are isometries. Let's just remember that isometries are a transformation that preserves distance. So the distance has to stay the same in the original and the rotation. So this is our original circle here. We have two original, so our original point is 0, 2, which over 0 up 2, and 4, 0 over 4, 0. So we made our circle for each of these points. So we're going to try to find the initial distance between this point and this point. So we're going to say 1, 2, so this distance is 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, to find the distance in isometry, you just add. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So our initial distance is 6. So our directions say we're going to rotate 1/8 around the circle counterclockwise. So we have our direction counterclockwise, which is this way, and 1/8 is the same as 45% of a circle. So if we think, now this is a 90-degree angle, so halfway between here is going to be 45 degrees. So if we're rotating this point 45 degrees, it's going to end up right here. And then if we rotate this point 45 degrees, if this is 90 here, 45 degrees is going to be right here. So our new points are here and here. And this point would be -1, 1, and this point over here would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, over 2, up 2, so 2, 2. So now we're going to try to find the distance between these points, here and here. So we're going to go up 1, which takes us here, so that's 1. We're going to go over 1, 2, 3, over 3. And if we add 1 plus 3 is 4, so our final distance is 4. So if our initial distance between this point and this point was 6, and our final distance between our rotated points on the same circle is 4 from here and here, then it is not an isometry because the distances are not the same.